everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I just got my Beautylish Lucky Bag, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox this on camera. This is the regular size for $75. In the past, I have received the extra large, and I will do that again maybe next year. This year I wasn't even going to get it because I'm in the middle of moving, but I went ahead and did it anyway. So I got the $75 one. It's guaranteed to have 150 or more worth of product. What I will do as I'm editing, the editing me will put the price down below and we'll add it up at the end. Here is what mine looks like on the inside. I'm not going to go over the card because I live in North Carolina. By the time it gets to me, everybody else and their brother already has theirs. So I'm sure you've seen videos. And I'm just going to take all my stuff out. Interesting. I'm just going to take everything out. I'm not doing one of these. Well, I could because I can't really tell what I got. So first, I got this. I know it's brushes. I think they're the unit brushes. Yep, I see the orange handles. Wow, I got a nice set. Put everything here. I got a nice set of unit face brushes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Those are nice. I do not own any unit brushes. Oh, they feel so soft. That's nice. Yeah. So there we go. Brushes. First thing. I want to see what this box is. I got one of these scalp massagers. Not real thrilled about it, but I do want to try it out. It's Hello Kitties. Kitties are so excited to see what Mama got. Okay. Alright. It's Briogeo. That might be. I'll try it out. I'll try it out. I'm not excited about it, but I'll try it out. I got the Good Molecules facial oil. I've seen a lot of people get this. Not that excited about this either. I'm not a fan of facial oils because they break me out. Anything that's really oily on my face just gives me a fit. But this is a tiny little bottle, and I'm thinking I can use this with my lift wand because I use oil with my lift wand. I have an oil right now I'm using, so this I'll just put away until time to use it. Oh, okay. I'm not unhappy. I got a Charlotte Tilbury palette. I don't own any Charlotte Tilbury palettes. So yay, I'm excited about this. This is the Darling look. Okay. Okay, I'm happy. Last year I was not happy with my Lucky Bag. This year, it's so pretty. And that's a perfect size to take traveling. All right, I'm happy about that. Okay, feeling better about that. I got a Wayne Goss lip pencil. Let's see what color it is. Natural Berry. I already have Natural Berry. So I think I will just hang on to this. And after I move, I might do a giveaway. But I already have Natural Berry. I don't need to. I've got 3 more things. I got this MOB blush. The little compact for it to go in. Everybody have been getting these. And let me just see what my color is. Oh, come on. Alright. That's not a bad color. I like that. I will put that in that container. I'll use that. And then the last thing in my bag is I got a Wayne Goss lipstick in Macadamia. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. Okay, it's a nice nude. It's a pretty nude. Yeah, I won't wear that alone. But I will wear that with other lipsticks because I always like a good nude to mix with. There we go. So, yeah, one thing, I mean, I'd love to have had a different Wayne Gloss brush, but that's okay. Like I said, I think I'll just hang on to that and do a giveaway after I move. Yeah. So, I'm very pleased with my blush. I'm very pleased with this palette because last year I got the Hen Dash. I'm not excited about this product. I would have liked to have gotten some sort of hair care product, not this, but I will give it a shot. I don't know what I'm missing, so, you know, it might be good. And then this oil, it's not anything I'm over the moon about, but I can use it with my Lift one. Just I don't need to open it right now. And then the brushes. Lots of nice brushes. So, not too bad, not too bad. I won't say I feel extra lucky, but I am very appreciative and I like everything that I got. And I am glad that I just did not get that Hen Dash palette because I did not want that palette. So anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.